Okay, I'm going to show you the interface of the calculator. So this is on my portfolio project over here, and let me show you the app file. So I only have access to the welcome element. So as you can see, I got nothing here on the URL. So just localhost 5173 because I didn't define any other paths. So actually this is the welcome card, and I'm dividing all my portfolio in cards. Okay. So far this is the welcome card over here, and I also created a calculator card. And all these cards are going to the welcome section, or to the welcome main section, which is right here. So every single page later on is going to be divided here. So this one would be welcome, and I'll probably put this into another folder called pages. But this is the structure so far: a welcome card, which is over here, and a calculator card that is under development, calculator in progress. So if I go to the card, this card receives a component that I already built, which is paragraph card, and that I'm also using here in the welcome part. Okay, and that paragraph card is actually wrapping everything, and I have a calculator in progress here paragraph. I want to show you the paragraph card, which is this one over here. This is a custom component that I'm going to be reusing all the time. So let's go back to the calculator card actually over here. And as you can see, I got some buttons here, which is actually these buttons over here. And later on, I'm gonna put all the buttons here that will show the app itself and the videos that I'm recording, including this one. Also the updates, because I found the bug in the previous video, and for sure I'm gonna continue finding bugs as I test my application. So let's go to the important component, which is a calculator app, which I built here in apps. Here I'm going to be building all of the apps that I'll be showing in my portfolio. Okay, so I'll explain every step of the way, but first of all, I'm going to explain or show the interface, and later on the next video, I'm going to explain the logic and data handling. So I'm using a model here. So it's got button calculator app. So when this calculator app is pressed, it's going to open a model. Okay, and the model is also a recycled component that I'm going to be using throughout the whole portfolio application. So for example, skills and build, if I click on them, it's opening a model. It's opening a video here for how I built this. I got no internet connection, so it's not going to show. So right here in calculator app, if I click on it, the calculator is going to open, and I can close it, open, close. Okay, I haven't built anything to close the calculator. Just when I click on it on the background, it's going to close. I haven't done that, and maybe I'll do it in the future, but I don't think it's necessary right now. It will just close here from the close button. And the model, I want to show you the model. If I click here, this is it was created using create portal, and in the HTML I also created a div with the ID of portal, so it receives that part of the application, not the main root part, which is everything else in React. So if I go back to the calculator app, you can see that everything is wrapped in the model, and the model accepts an open state or closed state, which is right here, this one over here. So open and set open. So whenever I click here, the state is going to be open, and this will receive the open prop. Yeah, the open value will go to the open prop, and the model is saying if this is not open, it's not going to return anything. Otherwise, it's going to create a portal. That is what's popping up right here. So if I go back to the app, I can show you that I'm not using this index CSS. I'm not using the main CSS file, but I'm using a module here. Let me just show it over here, calculator.module CSS, and all of my styles are here, and I will just walk you through them. Okay, so the first thing is that I'm going to open the calculator here, and I forgot to say that when I click here, this receives an on close callback, which is handle close, that I created here. And when I call handle close, this is going to set open to false. This is going to set the state, that open state, to false. Therefore the model is going to close. All right, so let's go over the styling of calculator. Let me see, 5 minutes so far. So I'm gonna go over the styling of the calculator in the next video.